What's good, YouTube man? Today we will talk about how to get stronger instantly by me, Gymaholic. Let's go. And yeah man, today we will talk about your grip strength and how increasing your grip strength gets you stronger instantly. Why gripping harder gets you stronger, how to increase the grip, and tips and tricks for a stronger grip strength. Alright man, why gripping harder gets you stronger? There's more muscle recruitment required, which leads to more strength output. It leads to greater strength gains, and it gives you massive forearms, which is also a plus. If you wanna look absolutely massive, massive forearms is a must, How to increase your grip? Stop using lifting straps if your goal is strength, not hypertrophy. If you wanna build muscle, for instance on your back, I would recommend using lifting straps, because you can feel the muscles work, feel better. For example, lat pull down. Do it with straps if you wanna build a bigger back, but preferably if your goal is strength, stop using them. Pull-ups with body weight, just hanging on the bar, gripping the bar as hard as you can, and try to pull yourself up that way. Shrugs with dumbbells, also a huge increase in forearm strength, because you're using your forearms without the straps. So yeah man, and you also get some huge traps, Deadlifts are obviously one of the best ways, with double overhand of course, which means that you grip the bar the same way with the left and the right hand, which is knuckles facing outward. And then we got lunges also with dumbbells. Those are pretty hard exercise already. Using it without straps makes it even harder for your forearms. And yeah man, it's basically anything that works your grip. Yeah. Tips and tricks for stronger grip strength. You need to start off light at first, especially if you're not used to the movement, You wanna build up your forearms that way, so they can get used to the weight, and then get used to the movement, and then try to increase weight each week or every other week if every week isn't possible. And yeah man, just grip harder stuff. It actually works. I tried it myself. I noticed huge strength increases. Also my forearms have become really big. And yeah man, I actually get a lot of compliments about my forearms, which is the results, Like my forearms look, let's be honest, not that vascular, but a bit less. That's it man. If that helped you out, like and subscribe. It helps me out as well. Especially comment questions, what other videos you want me to do. Because it helps out. It helps me out, it helps out the algorithm and all that good stuff. And yeah man, talk to you later guys. Bye.